All right, guys, welcome to Comp One. So I hope you had a great 3-day weekend. This will be pretty brief. I just want to show you what we're going to be doing this week. This week, we actually do have some things due. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now. And if you take a look at the syllabus on the schedule part, we are in week 4. So your summaries are due on Blackboard by Friday at midnight this week. Okay, so what that means is you're going to go to the Blackboard page, and you're going to go to homework and assignments on the left-hand side. You're going to go to the SA1 project materials folder. You click there, and then you hand in, it says summary of reading 1, summary of reading 2. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you hand in to which link, as long as you hand in both summaries. Now, if you'd like, again, a review on what you're supposed to be doing in these summaries, take a look at my Zoom from last week. I pretty much told you exactly how to summarize the subway paradigm shift. And basically, I want you to do basically the same thing for both. You don't have to worry about MLA citation or anything like that just yet. And in the narration about learning to play chess, there really is no author, so you don't even have to worry about the author. Just instead of saying the name of the author, you might say the author, and then you go on and you summarize. Take a look at last week's video to get a better idea if you've forgotten what I went over. But anyway, those two things are due. Then if you take a look back here, you need to have completed your outline. You're not going to hand it in. Remember, we're compiling all of this process stuff into one document that you're eventually going to hand in. That'll be next week. You're going to hand all that in one document. And I'll tell you next week where to hand that in. But you will need to hand in your rough draft. So your rough draft, you're going to need to upload that to discussion board 1. And so this also goes along with learning how to peer review, and I've got a video on that. So real quick, I'll just show you where you're going to hand that in. So you're going to go to the our Blackboard page, and on the left above where it says homework and assignments, above that it'll say discussions. You click there, and it looks like some of you guys have already gotten a good start on this, but essentially what you'll do is you're going to upload your essay here. So you go to SA1 peer review, you click there. We've already got some people who've already done it. But again, what we're going to do is we're going to create a thread. So you click create thread, and then your subject, go ahead and just put your name, and then you're going to upload your document. You make sure it's a Word document or a PDF, or your partner will not be able to read it. And see, the thing is, what we're trying to do here is we're uploading the best possible version of our essay we can, so that other people can take a look at it, give us some feedback, and maybe we can have a better essay. Now, you're going to upload that, you browse computer, upload it, and you'll click submit over here. Now, between Friday and Wednesday of next week, you are going to go to this discussion board, and you're going to you can copy and paste these questions. So you just right click and say copy. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go in here, and maybe you're going to find a person's essay. You click on that, and then you can download the essay, read the essay, and then you're going to click reply, and then you will be able to paste your questions in here. Now, if you do a right click and paste, it's not going to work. So it'll tell you what to do, but basically you'll do Control V. And between Friday of this week and Wednesday of next week, I want you to review 2 people's essays. So you'll answer these questions, all right? Now, what we're going to really try to do is find people who have, where there's no comments. So if someone already has if someone already has a few replies, move on to the next person, so everybody gets some review from some of their classmates. Now, again, that won't be due till Wednesday of next week, and I'll remind you on Monday of next week as well. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what's coming. Now, to get a better idea of how all of this works, how peer review works, and what to think about, how to think about peer review, you want to go to the SA1 project materials folder. You're going to click there, and I'd like you to watch my final video. Just scroll down where it says Professor Coomer's Virtual Classroom SA1 Discussion Board. So you click there, and I just want you to watch that video to better prepare you for peer review. Okay, so again, there's two things that you're going to hand in by Friday of this week. The first one is your summaries, and again, that's in the SA1 project materials folder, and that's right here. The second thing you're going to hand in is your rough draft, and again, it's going to be the best draft you can, but you're going to have that in by Friday at midnight in the discussion boards. Again, it's SA1 peer review, and you're going to create thread, upload your essay. Those are the only two things you have to hand in by Friday midnight of this week. Guys, that's all I'm going to go over today. And if you have questions, feel free to email me. Of course, please rewatch this video if you have questions on anything I covered in this video, because I did cover how to hand things in. So that way you've got this and you can watch it as many times as you like. Okay, guys, so I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next week on Monday.